In his Independence Day speech, Prime Minister Modi also spoke of partition, recalling the pain and suffering of millions who were displaced when the country was partitioned. He said that August 14, the day of partition, will henceforth be marked as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. Listen in.
देशवासियों, हम आजादी का जश्न मनाते हैं, लेकिन बंटवारे का दर्द आज भी हिंदुस्तान के सीने को छल नहीं करता है। ये पिछली शताब्दी की सबसे बड़ी त्रासदी में से एक थी। आजादी के बाद इन लोगों को बहुत ही जल्द भुला दिया गया।
Yesterday, the Prime Minister declared August 14 as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. Recalling the pain of the partition, the Prime Minister said that the day is going to be reminding us to remove poison from our society. After the announcement, the opposition left no stone unturned to tear into the government, calling the move a politically motivated one. Here's more.
14th August 1947. India and Pakistan were divided into two countries. What followed was pain, suffering, agony, torture for millions of people on both sides. Millions of Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs were displaced. Large-scale rioting broke out. Over 1 million were killed in the brutal violence that followed. Entire trains carrying refugees were butchered. Thousands of women and girls were raped or abducted. The pain of partition can never be forgotten. On Saturday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a big announcement. August 14th from now on will be remembered as Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas or Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. In his tweet, the Prime Minister said, "This day will not only inspire us to eliminate the poison of discrimination, animosity and ill will, but it will also strengthen unity, social harmony and human sensibilities." Unquote. The Prime Minister's move was hailed by his party.
राष्ट्र का विभाजन का वास्तव में जिम्मेदार कौन था, ये अभी तक कहीं उभर के नहीं आया। इस विभीषिका का जिम्मेदार कौन था, ये तो आना चाहिए। जब ये दिन बनेगा तो प्याज के छिलकों की तरह ये परतें भी उगड़ेंगी।
But an unimpressed opposition launched an offensive against the Modi government, slamming the move as political.
अंग्रेजों ने बांटने का काम, लेकिन अंग्रेज लोग जिन्होंने बांटा, अंग्रेजों की एक ही नीति थी, फूट डालो और राज करो, क्योंकि आरएसएस के लोग भी वही कर रहे हैं।
I don't think that we should now remember such hatred, such violence, such disharmony. Prime Minister would do well if he ensures that his people do not spread hatred and create disharmony in the society.
Once part of East Pakistan, Bangladesh observes the 25th of March as Genocide Day to mark the day Pakistan launched Operation Searchlight that caused the brutal killing of millions of Bangladeshis. Many countries around the world have marked the memories of Holocaust through various remembrance days. 14th of August is a day when Pakistan celebrates its Independence Day. But for India, that day is a reminder of pain and agony that have scarred generations altogether.
The Prime Minister's announcement of observing 14th of August henceforth as the Partition Horrors Remembrance Day has sparked a heated war of words from certain opposition members who are now telling the Bharatiya Janata Party that it is necessary to contain the environment of hate and disharmony that they allegedly say exists in the present in order to be truly able to forget the past. With camera person Nasir, Polami Saha in Delhi for India Today.